Crazy, crazy dinner lady, what you cooking up? What you cooking up? Crazy, crazy dinner lady, what you cooking up for us today? You got something special you want us to try, a brand new dish called marshmallow pie. Your pastry looks a little slimy and green. Are you sure it's really pastry and not plasticine? Crazy, crazy dinner lady, what you cooking up? What you cooking up? Crazy, crazy dinner lady, what you cooking up for us today? With soup on the menu, what could go wrong? Just pour it in the pan and turn the gas on. But you can't help add your little finishing touch. So you squeeze in the toothpaste. Oops, that's a little too much. Ooh. Crazy, crazy dinner lady, what you cooking up? What you cooking up? Crazy, crazy dinner lady, what you cooking up for us today? What you cooking up for us today? It's Christmas time, so let's celebrate. And what better way than baking a cake? Each year you cook your secret recipe, which basically consists of last year's cake, the one nobody ate, well except for me, who spent Christmas Day in A&E. Crazy, crazy dinner lady, what you cooking up? What you cooking up? Crazy, crazy dinner lady, what you cooking up for us today? What you cooking up for us today? And there never was, and there never will be, a chef with such originality. I admit, sometimes your food is hard to keep down, but our dinner lady is the best dinner lady. Just don't talk about the gravy, she's the best dinner lady in town.